Great places to visit in the United States. Vermont, nestled in the northeastern United States, is a state that beautifully combines scenic beauty with small-town charm. Known as the Green Mountain State, Vermont is characterized by its rolling hills, picturesque landscapes, and charming historic villages. The state's natural beauty shines in every season, from vibrant fall foliage that paints the landscape in hues of gold and orange to snow-covered mountains that offer thrilling skiing and snowboarding adventures in winter. Vermont's rural countryside is dotted with family-owned farms, where visitors can indulge in fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and the renowned maple syrup the state is famous for. The state's commitment to sustainable living is evident in its thriving farm-to-table movement and craft beer scene, where local breweries embrace Vermont's agricultural heritage. Vermont's small towns exude a warm and welcoming atmosphere, with quaint main streets lined with charming shops, galleries, and cozy cafes. Historic sites such as the charming Shelburne Village and the iconic covered bridges add a touch of nostalgia to the state's ambience. With its scenic beauty, outdoor recreation opportunities, and a genuine sense of community, Vermont invites visitors to embrace its small-town charm, immerse themselves in nature, and experience the relaxed and authentic way of life that defines this enchanting state. Subscribe or follow for more interesting places to visit.